Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD, and today is Monday, September 6, 2021. It is 2:23 and 0 seconds a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Today's research, cold planets. So let's hop to it here. Cold planets exist throughout our galaxy, even in the galactic bulge. Date August 30th, 2021. Source, Osaka University. Researchers combined observations and modeling to infer the distribution of cold planets in the Milky Way. The results suggest that this distribution is not strongly dependent on the distance from the galactic center. Cold planets seem to be present throughout our galaxy, even in the galactic bulge, where their existence was uncertain. The findings could improve our understanding of both planetary formation and its history in the Milky Way. The observation is based on a phenomenon called gravitational microlensing, whereby objects such as planets act as lenses, bending and magnifying the light from distant stars. And this effect can be used to detect cold planets, similar to Jupiter and Neptune, throughout the Milky Way, from the galactic disk to the galactic bulge, the central region of our galaxy. Gravitational microlensing currently provides the only way to investigate the distribution of planets in the Milky Way. But until now, little is known, mainly because of the difficulty in measuring the distance of planets that are more than 10,000 light years from the Sun. And to solve this problem, the researchers instead considered the distribution of a quantity that describes the relative motion of the lens and distant light source in planetary microlensing. By comparing the distribution observed in microlensing events with that predicted by a galactic model, the research team could infer the galactic distribution of planets. The results show that the planetary distribution is not strongly dependent on the distance from the galactic center. Instead, cold planets orbiting far from their stars seem to exist universally in the Milky Way. And this includes the galactic bulge, which has a very different environment to the solar neighborhood, and where the presence of planets has long been uncertain. And the stars in the bulge region are older and are located much closer to each other than stars in the solar neighborhood. Research finds that planets reside in both these stellar environments could lead to an improved understanding of how planets form and the history of planet formation in the Milky Way. According to the researchers, the next step should be to combine these results with the measurements of microlens parallax, or lens brightness, two other important quantities associated with planetary microlensing. Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD, on microbiology, bioinformatics, and pathophysiology. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have an awesome day.